Okay, it's actually manageable. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at how to remove your bulkhead from your van. That's this guy here, and the purpose is to prevent cargo in the back destroying the livelihoods of the people who are driving the van in the front. But for the purposes of a van conversion, we're going to go ahead and remove it. Now, the mechanism in which you remove it differs slightly from van to van. On the Seville base, which is this van here, the Fiat Ducato, a Peugeot Boxer, a Citroën Relay, or even a Ram ProMaster, it's held in by hex bolts, which are M8 in size. If you have a Ford Transit, they're going to be held in by T55 Torx nuts, or Torx bolts, should I say. That is what they look like. They're star in shape, and you need a T55. It's quite a large size. You may need to order one specifically to be able to remove it. And finally, on the Mercedes Sprinter, it's held in with blind rivets. The most annoying of those three. A blind rivet just simply means you need to drill out with a drill the center of each rivet in order to release it. The bulkhead itself is super, super, super heavy, so be really careful of your poor back when you're taking it out. So I'm going to go ahead now and do just that.
I was remiss and I forgot to mention that we're using a ratchet here with an M8 bit attached to it.
There we go. Very simply held in like that. So I'm just going to remove all of them. In the base of the bulkhead for the Seville base, you have a bigger bolt down here. So this is actually M10. So I've got my M10 bit on my ratchet, and I'll take that out too. There we go. Hey, Shane here. Quick heads up before we continue. If you're planning a van conversion, you'll know that there's a lot to learn, and it can get a little bit overwhelming. That's why I created the Van Conversion Mastery course. It walks you through the entire build, step by step. Electrics, insulation, carpentry, plumbing, metalwork, the whole shebango. Instead of bouncing between 50 different YouTube videos, you get one clear, correct sequence to follow. Thousands of students have taken the course since 2019, and thevanconversion.com now helps over 1 million people a year build their dream van. I'm a certified electrical installer, so everything in the course is safe, standards-based, and explained simply, so you can build with confidence. If you think this might help you out, you can get it at thevanconversion.com/mastery. The link is in the description below. Finally, at the base of the bulkhead, there are 2 tie-downs with Torx T40 that hold them in. So you need to loosen those off as well. Okay, it's actually manageable.